All right, here we go. So, before we go and build this form out that I promise we're going to do, I want to take a quick little detour because you may remember long time ago we were working on this project. We had an issue with our error page. Something was going on. I couldn't get that to work. Well, did some research and figured out what the issue was with the error page. So that's all this is going to do. This particular video is going to handle. So let's take care of this error page. I'm going to do this at the very bottoms of my router.js file. So here I have router.js, and I have all of these other pages. So we wrote that nice little code that will handle the home page. And then we have all the different pages. We have nice little templates that we did for that. They work really well. They're awesome. Now I want to handle this error page. And to handle the error page, the issue that, well, I was having two issues. One, I was using .get when I didn't need to use .get for this. The other thing is with Express 5, uh, they changed up, well, they made some updates to the way we pass in, say, like a reference to all that's not listed or whatever, um, or all that is listed, any which way. So we had to make some changes. We figured out, did some research on it, and got it solved. So here I'm going to say router.all. Again, I need to use all instead of .get here. Okay. And I'm going to set up my path. Here's where it looks real different. My path is going to be, I'm going to put a slash here. Going to open curly braces. I'll put a star and then any, close curly braces like so. Okay. After that, I'm going to take a request and response. And for right now, we can say response.send. And we'll just send an H1 that said, oh, this needs to be, excuse me. This needs to be a string. Send the H1. It just says 404 error. This page does not exist. Should we scream at them? No, let's remove that. Add a period there. Okay. So this handles. So this would be a 404 error. Basically any path not listed above. Okay. So let's do a test on this real quick. Gonna come over here and I got localhost 3000. Let's go back to the home page. So I got localhost 3000. I'm gonna say localhost 3000/foo, and there it is, 404 error. This page does not exist. Great, it works. Cool. Let's do something else with this though. I'm going to come over here to my pages. I'm going to add a 404 page. So I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to call this 404.ejs. So I got my 404.ejs page. I need to include my header and my footer. All right. And I'll make a main with a class main, give it the ID of error main. Drop a container in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a figure, class figure. I'm going to give the class mx-auto. Give it a class w-50. Yep. And right now, I'm going to add an image here. So I'm going to find a GIF because I like to do that. I'll use that one. So I'm going to, I guess, copy the image address. No, I'm going to, if right, I'm just going to copy the image address. I don't know how big it is. Let me see. Matter of fact, let me do this. I'm going to visit because pathing is going to be a little smaller. Let's see. No, go away. I just want the source. Oh, that's it right here. So copy that. I think this should work. I hope. Come back over here in my image tag. Drop that as a source. And I'm going to add some classes to this. I'm going to say img-fluid. And I'll say error GIF as well. Do a fig caption, class figure dash caption. Also want to say text dash center. Also for my image, I want to add a class img. No, I got img dash fluid, but I'm gonna say figure dash img. Yeah. And I don't know any blank man quotes. I can't think of any. Let me see what see quotes. Slap me around and call me Susan. Okay. I'll just use that one. Slap me around and call me Susan. All right. Okay, so there's my error page, my 404 page. All right, now that I got that done, I can come back over here to router.js. And instead of response.send, gonna response.render pages /404, and in the title 404 error, name, also get 404 error, and yeah, that should be it. So we're just going to render this error page because it works like any other. I come on here and refresh. Oh, what's the issue we have? Line 21 in the header. Oh, not passing in endpoints. That's right, because we did do that, excuse me, for all of these other, we did pass endpoint for each one of them. And we need that for the header. So let's pass in endpoints. Come back over here and refresh. Oh, there's my GIF. It didn't work. But there it is. So I just need to find a better GIF. Or if I just copy all that. I'm gonna copy all that. Okay. And come back over here and paste this baby. Let's see. I'm gonna remove this right here. I'm just gonna, and then I don't need you links, and I don't need none of you links. I just need that right there, and come over here, class again, mx, class img dash fluid, figure dash img. I'm gonna say d dash block mx dash auto. Maybe that works. This isn't like the super important part. We just want to have actual error page. Refresh. It's not centered. Oh, wait. No, it's not centered. Stuff and things. I tell you. There we go. And now we can get back to home. I don't like this text. I'm gonna change that. Oh, won't take me to franchise. See, power, hero. So take me to hero. Uh-oh. Now we got another issue. Yay. What's the issue now? Oh boy. Just when you think you had it fixed. Just when you think you have it done. There's home, hero, power. There is a power though. Just when you think you got it all together. I wonder why I won't. I wonder if I need to put this inside of the else. Maybe I do an else if. No. Huh. There it is again. I had it working. I did have it working. Oh well. Let me see. Yeah, because why is it? It shouldn't take me to an error page for power. So, because I got home, hero. Yeah, all that works just fine. But when I get to power, there's an error message, and I don't know what that's all about. Oh well, back to the drawing board. We try again. Let me just see, refresh that. And there goes power. Look at that. Got to work on that some more. Anyways, all right. I want to do my form next, so I need to do a form that should allow me to add heroes via a form. So we'll do that on the next lesson.